Welcome back, guys, to another video. I know what you're thinking, where's he been? I know, right? It's been about 3 months since I've done a video, just not had time, but I'll go into that a bit later on. So yeah, I've been walking around for a good hour or so, trying to find a spot. I've come across this little spot here, so I think this is gonna do. Chuck the tarp up between those two trees there. I think that'll work just well. Something's been scratching down here, so I was just going to do the fire down there. And yeah, that'll do me for tonight. We've still got plenty of time. I think it's about 1 o'clock. Sun's still a fair way up, so it'd be nice to pitch up in the light. As usually get down here after work, 5-6 o'clock-ish. Pitch up in the dark, but yeah, got a couple of weeks off, so I thought I'd come down here in a day. And what a beautiful day it is. It's hovering around 1 degree, chilly, but this is me right here, loving it. Right, let's get it set up. Need a few pegs, nice little bit fat wood in there. Nice. Bit of luxury tonight. Brought my cot bed with me. I've had quite a few. I've had 3 months of solid working, so I need a good night's sleep. I thought I'd bring this with me. Bit weighty, but definitely worth it. Oh, the last one's always the hardest. That's it. Yeah, pretty much there now with the setup. Got tarp up, cot bed in there, bit of a ground sheet. Didn't really need a ground sheet, but just protects you from the old floor nasties a bit. Keep your gear on there, keep it nice and clean, and whatever. I ain't gonna get my sleeping bag out yet, so I'll get that out sort of near bedtime, I think. So I think it's time to gather some firewood up. Start getting ready for a bit of a fire. I'm ready for it. I don't really want to be looking for wood in the dark, so I think there's plenty about. Yeah. Right, I'll stop messing about, let's go and find some firewood. fat wood in there. That's mega, isn't it? Massive bit of fat wood. Yes, look at that wet. Got to the sand. It's wringing wet. There's no chance the ground's going to catch light, so that should be all good. I'm not doing a massive fire, just enough to cook my food. It's meant to drop to about -1, but I don't need it to keep me warm really. That should be all good. Yeah. Alright, get a chair out. Let's see what drink I got today then. Right then, let's have a look. Old Mount Cider, mango and passion fruit. I've not had this flavour before, so I'm intrigued. See what it tastes like. Way up there. Put that back in there. The old taster. That is nice. So, you guys have been wondering where I've been. Yeah, I've just been working all the time really. Out grafting. So sort of my normal day-to-day job is I'm a decorator, painter on site, you know, house smasher. Yeah, sugar on the walls. Nah. I'm not one of them. I'm one of the better ones, I think. So yeah, that's me 5 day a weeker. And then I've had so much coming over the weekends and that. Oh Lewis, can you miscoat this out? Oh, can you come and do my extension? You know, bits and bobs, en-suites, new builds. You know, you got to do them, ain't you? So I've just been grafting constantly for about 3 months. So yeah, I'm off now for a couple of weeks, Christmas time and all that. Loving it. Just chilling out with the kids. It's been nice. I thought I'd break away, have a bit of a camp. So there's only one place I wanted to come really, and that was Thetford Forest. Love it. Yeah, nice to be back out. So for dinner tonight, got half a leg of lamb, well, I don't bring any butter, so might do some roast potatoes. I've got some what have I got? Carrots, Brussels sprouts, bit of gravy. I think that'd be just a job. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Old Tesco's had a bit of a special on half a leg of lamb. I think it's about £6. So I think I brought 4. Then they had the full leg of lambs, £15. So I brought 4 of them, chucked them in the freezer. So cheap. But yeah, them little half a leg of lambs, they're perfect for camping. So I could just about eat the whole half. So perfect. I ain't got a car out the rest home me then. Yeah. Lovely little spot this is. In all the moss and that. Yeah, it's lovely. You guys are wondering what saw I'm using. Silky big boy. This saw is something else. Just cut through it like nothing. So I've got some sticks, logs, just smaller bits chopped down. I'm going to try and get it going with some fat wood that I found. This stuff's... Can you see it in there? Right then, let's give it a whirl. Go. Plenty of fat wood in there, that'll keep that going. Happy with that. Just keep feeding it every now and again. Yeah, found a banging bit of fat wood. Should get a few camps out of that bit. Oh, I'm ready for some food now. I'm starving. I think it's 10 o'clock. I'll have my breakfast and that. just ready to go on now. Just waiting to that wood to burn down to a nice bed of coals, and I'll plonk her on there. I think I'm just going to leave it on top of this grill just to keep warm. That should take about an hour or so. Lovely job. I'll have my hot chocolate now. Half now, half in the morning, so nice. A cup of tea don't cut it, Mr. Cheshire Wanderer. Got to have hot chocolate. Cheers guys. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that wood to burn down a bit. It's taking ages. I think we're about half hour off. Get it on them coals. Spot on then. I just tried pumping up my airbed, but my pump was bloody dead. I've stuck that on charge. I've got my sack with me, but I can't bother really. I just want to do it with a little air pump. I can get my sleeping bag and all that out then. That'll be all puffing up then. But yeah, it's lovely. Temperature's really dropped now. It must be sort of 0 degrees, sort of -1. Yeah, I'm loving it. Just can't wait for a bit of grub now. Okay, now that's hot. And there we go, half a leg of lamb, mashed potato, Brussels sprouts, carrots. Finish off a bit of gravy. How about that in the woods, eh? Alright then, let's tuck in. Right, let's cut a bit of this meat. Oh yeah. So I think it was just under an hour. Seared it for 15 minutes, 45 minutes in the coals. Right then guys, I'm going to smash this and I'll catch you in a bit. Dishes all done. So I've just got him a sleeping bag now. About had enough. I think it's about 9:30, so ready for a kip. So it's absolutely freezing out there. But I'm in my rab 900 ascent. I think it goes down to about -20, something like that. So be lovely and toasty in here. I was going to change my clothes as well, but I couldn't be bothered. I thought I'd get straight in my bag. So trusty pillar as always. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Morning. Oh, slept like a log last night. I think it's touching about 8:30 now. Yeah, getting a bit late really. Should be up sort of cooking some breakfast, but I just didn't want to get out of bed. So I think I'm going to scrap breakfast. I don't think I could stomach it anyway this early in the morning. I'm just going to get packed up and get out of here. But it's a beautiful morning. Nice when that sun pops out. But yeah, I think I woke up twice in the night. From an owl, he must have been right above me. It's really loud he was, so. But yeah, other than that, slept lovely. I think I'm going to get up, get packed away and get out of here. Time's getting on now, so I'll catch you in a bit. That's me pretty much all squared away now, so I'm just going to cover this fire pit up. Stone cold. Not a single bit of heat coming from there. I just want to say that everyone had a fantastic Christmas and everyone has a happy new year. Thanks for watching. If you could like, subscribe, leave us a comment, that'd be fantastic, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.